Today we've got an interesting update around Samsung's next clamshell foldable, the Galaxy Z Flip 8, and it looks like Samsung may be doubling down on its own silicon. According to a new report out of Korea from The Bell, Samsung is planning to power the Galaxy Z Flip 8 with the recently launched Exynos 2600 chipset. If this turns out to be true, it would mark the second year in a row that Samsung skips Qualcomm for its Flip series. Quick bit of history here. When Samsung launched the original Galaxy Z Flip back in 2020, it used a Snapdragon chip. And for years after that, every Flip model stuck with Qualcomm. That changed this year with the Galaxy Z Flip 7, which became the first in the lineup to ship with an Exynos processor, specifically the Exynos 2500. Now it seems Samsung is ready to continue that strategy. The Exynos 2600 was officially announced just yesterday, and Samsung is already expected to use it in the Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Plus. Adding the Galaxy Z Flip 8 to that list would make a lot of sense, especially if Samsung wants tighter control over performance, efficiency, and costs. As for timing, Samsung launched the Galaxy Z Flip 7 in July 2025, and the company usually sticks to a yearly refresh cycle. That means we can expect the Galaxy Z Flip 8 to arrive around July 2026. So the big question now is performance. Will the Exynos 2600 be good enough to win over foldable fans who've been used to Snapdragon chips for years, or will this be another controversial move from Samsung? Let me know what you think down in the comments. Are you okay with Exynos powering the next Galaxy Z Flip, or do you still prefer Snapdragon? And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'll see you in the next one.